Hey, good day everyone. Check out this hand truck by Kedsum. Today I'm going to show you all the fit, form, and function of this thing, how it operates, and also why it's so much better than other products that are similar to this, made from other brands. Let's check this out. Here's this nice Kedsum hand truck, and here's a hand truck from another brand. We're going to go ahead and compare these two. And right off the bat, I can tell you, the weight on this thing is nice and metal right here. It just feels like it's built a little bit better. Check out these wheels. They're like nice skateboard, roller skate, or rollerblade wheels. Hard rubber, but not too hard either. And then here it's got swiveling wheels. It's got that nice rubber on there too. Now, if you were to take a look at this here, plastic, it feels kind of cheap compared to this. The wheels, they don't have that hard rubber on there. These things are not going to put up with the abuse that the Kedsum hand truck would. And this whole thing is plastic as well. And it's kind of has some flex to it. Go ahead and open these up. I'd like to point out that both of them come with a carrying bag too. The bag that this comes with is obviously higher quality. This thing looks like it's going to break apart. So you get a nice, thicker, better material carrying bag. Now, opening the two up, here's the other brand's products. Here's the Kedsum. It's got a nice locking fold out there. This thing really doesn't lock at all. Like, it can just fall down like that. This locks into place. So you bump it, it's not going anywhere. And it has the extension right here. You just push down on this and it lifts all the way up. I really like these elastic hooks that this Kedsum has on it too. So you can fit it all around your luggage or whatever you're going to carry here and it won't fall off. So that's really nice. Those hooks are good. And they just attach permanently right in here too. Here's another nice feature of the Kedsum. Look at this. It's got a slide out right there. That allows you some extra length too. Maybe a little bit bigger of a suitcase. This thing doesn't have any kind of extension to it. So you're stuck with this length. I'd like to say too that if you gave me a choice, if I had a heavy item to carry, I'd be picking this one all day long. This is going to hold up. It has a nice metal frame to it, so you're going to be able to carry some really heavy items. You can feel how smooth these wheels are too, so you're going to get some smooth rolling wheels. You'll have a smooth ride. This one, probably not so much. Here's a look at the underside of them too. You can see this is nice. It's supported by an axle. You have a lot more options of places to put your hooks than you do over here. Here you don't have much open space on here. There's only a few spots. Here you can hook it anywhere around here, so that's a nice design there. Okay, this other brand's product here will actually lock into place, but you got to slide this thing all the way down. Not the case here. This, you don't have to do anything. It locks right into place. Well, take a look at this. The Kedsum hand truck clearly has longer bungees on there. The other brand's products, short little bungees. So here you'll be able to carry bigger items, and if the smaller items, you can go around them a couple times. The other brand's products, you don't have that option. Overall look too, the Kedsum just has more of a stylish look to it. Both of them have this button. You push that down to collapse the handle here. And the smoothness of it, Kedsum is way smoother. This thing feels a little rough. And it's got a lot of slop in it too. No slop in this one. All right, I got some cargo here. We're gonna give this Kedsum hand truck a go. So I just took the straps and connected them down there. All kinds of options. The front wheels swivel on this. It has a nice, smooth feel to it. Okay, here's some cargo on the other brand's product here. Now look at this. These things aren't very long. There's also, it's hard to find a spot to clip them. So you can kind of go around there a little bit, but you're really limited. All right, here's the other brand's hand truck. You know, it feels really tippy. It's got a lot of slop to it too. There's no loose parts, that's just how it's made. So it wants to go everywhere on you. I like the single directional front wheels move only, back wheels are sturdy. This thing's kind of all over the place. So obviously definitely would want to go with the Kedsum hand truck. Look at this, you just walk up, it's got a little spring loaded lever there, just push down on it, it snaps together.